Strengthening Faith 69. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the concept of a midlife crisis. A person who experiences this often questions their purpose and seems to feel a huge void in their life, even though they may possess many things and achieved much worldly success. This often occurs as these people are not fulfilling the purpose of their creation, which is to gain knowledge about Allah, the Exalted, so that they can obey and worship Him correctly. This involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 51 Ad-Dariyat, verse 56.
I did not create jinn and humans except to worship me.
This is similar to a person who owns the latest mobile phone which has many features, yet due to a fault it fails to fulfill its primary goal, which is to make phone calls. No matter how good these other features are, the owner will always feel a void in respect to it, as the phone does not fulfill its primary goal of existence. Similarly, a person will feel a void in their life even if they possess many worldly things. This feeling affects Muslims and non-Muslims. It is obvious why non-Muslims feel like this, as they could not be further from fulfilling the purpose of their creation. So no matter what they achieve, they eventually feel this void in their life. It occurs to those Muslims who may even fulfill their obligatory duties, but as they fail to strive to gain and act on the vital knowledge needed to fulfill their purpose correctly, they experience this void. In most cases, they do not even understand the Arabic language, so performing worship simply does not fill this void. One will not fill this void until they strive to fulfill the purpose of creation, which is to gain knowledge on Allah, the Exalted, so that they can use every blessing they have been granted in ways pleasing to Him throughout every moment of their life.